Well, this week we've gone to the dogs. G'day guys, it's Rocky here from Further Faster, and it's that time of the week where it's a beer o'clock review, where we talk about beer and we talk about some new gear. Got some new Ruffwear stuff to talk about today, but as always, first we're going for a brew. Now, again, I've never had a beer from this brewery before. This is another English brewery called Beavertown, based out of North London. These beers just find the way to this office. People keep bringing them in, which is really nice. If you've got any strange beers, please bring them into the office. We will put them on the Beer O'Clock review. This is a session IPA, so it's 4.3%. It's probably on the top of what I call a session IPA, to be quite honest. Most of that would be like a 2.5. I think this brewery was originally owned by the son of Robert Plant, the Led Zepp guitarist, but I think it's since been sold to a major brewery. Anyhow, session IPA. Yeah, it tastes a little bit stronger than a session IPA, which I'm not surprised at 4.3%. But yeah, it's a nice brew. It's called Beavertown Neck Oil. Whether you can buy it in New Zealand, I'm not quite sure, but anyhow, that's the beer we are trying this afternoon. Right, onto the gear. So twice a year we get new releases from Ruffwear. We get the February release, and I think we get August release. So we're going to talk a little bit about a new range which has come from those guys. It was quite a big release actually, they did quite a lot of different stuff. But what we're going to cover off in today's video is the new Ridgeline range, comprising of boots, lead, collar and a harness. So first of all, why this range? And this is in my opinion. I think they've made this range for somebody who's out there with a dog, and they're going quite large with a dog. They're really they're running, they're hiking. The dog's getting in some interesting positions, because what this seems to me to be, it's a very sturdy range. They're using top of the range materials, and it's made to last. It's robust. It's going to be super strong bits of gear. It's got a few common threads running through it. First of all, we should probably talk about the new buckle. This is the Fidlock buckle here, which is magnetic like so. Just places on. You'll find that's on the collar, the lead, and on the harness as well, all the way throughout. So really easy to use. If you've got gloves as well, real simple to use. They've got fully reflective tape as well, running all the way through all the webbing. So, you know, you're going to get, if it's dark, it's going to shine really nice with whatever head torch you've got on. It's a bit more safer for the dog. We'll go for a bit. I think we'll hit the boots first, and we'll go that way. So first of all, the boots. So this is the Ridgeline boot. One piece seamless construction on the top, so there's no seams. It's quite light, quite a breathable fabric. You've got that reflective banding around there, and it's almost pre-curved at the bottom. It's going to cinch quite nicely. It's going to fit a little bit like a trail shoe for yourself onto your dog. So if you are running with your dog, I would say this is probably a great boot for running with the dog. It's got a good, decent grip to it as well. They're sold in twos, so if you've got, you know, different size paws front and back, you can get what you need. Coming in black only, I believe. I think this whole range is just in black actually. So that's the boot, real nice. The collar we've seen, classic with that new buckle. Then you've got your classic pull buckle there, and your ID buckle there. The lead's pretty cool actually. You can use it a variety of ways, to be fair, as a normal lead, but what I've worked out, it's also going to work really well as a waist lead. And you can then move it out as you need to. I think, you know, attaching to anywhere on here, it's going to give you plenty of room still. Or also, we should bring out this new buckle on this lead. How's that for that can go anywhere. It's probably one of the best buckles I've ever seen on a leash. Real solid. Or you can bring it back in, simply take it off. bring it back up. That's such an easy snip. And you've got a super long leash as well. So really, really handy. Then onto the harness, the piece de resistance in some ways. Right, first of all the webbing, it's reflective, but we need to pull out what this harness is made out of. This is made out of X-Pac fabric. Now, normally we'd see this in really quality backpacks. It's fully waterproof fabric, highly abrasion resistant, lightweight, super tough. It's going to be such a tough harness. Real good if you've got a big dog, or your dog's pulling, or you've got the kind of dog off leash, it's just going to find that bush and just smash through it. If you want a tough harness, I'd say you'd be hard pressed to get a harness as tough as this for the weight. As per usual with Ruffwear, you've got 3 harness attachment points on this. You can go off the front, off the classic buckle mid there, or you've even got a toe loop on this one as well. So if you want to, if you want to go running with your dog and you want the dog to pull you, definitely be holding on to this one at the back here. Obviously you've got adjustment here, adjustment there, and you've got adjustment around the front as well. You've got your big handle at the back, which is really handy if you need to pull up the dog, and you've got a good support when you're doing that as well. Great if you're going to have a cattle grid, especially locally, I find. And you've also got an attachment for the Ruffwear beacon at the back there as well, so you can put that Ruffwear light round there. Who's going to buy this? I think if you're running with your dog, or you're jawing with your dog, or you're mountain biking, I think this is a real good harness to look at. Really low profile as well, not much going on to it. So super solid, super robust, really nice setup. And I think if you go with this lead as well, it's a great setup. So this is the first look at the Ridgeline range from Ruffwear. We'll do a little short video next week of some of the other new stuff as well. Cheers guys, thank you.